I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Fidelity CDs. First, understand that certificates of deposit offer a secure way to save money with a fixed interest rate over a set period. Fidelity provides a wide range of CDs, including brokered CDs, which can offer competitive rates. We'll guide you through accessing these options on their platform, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. It's a straightforward way to diversify your savings, often with a minimum investment of $1,000. Once logged into your Fidelity account, navigate to the Fixed Income section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of available certificates of deposit. Take your time to review the various options. You can filter by maturity date, from a few months to several years, and compare yields to find the best fit for your financial goals. Consider the issuing institution and any call features before making a selection. After selecting your preferred CD, you'll specify the amount you wish to invest. Remember, CDs are generally purchased in increments, often starting at $1,000. Double-check all the details, including the maturity date, interest rate, and total investment. Fidelity makes the process clear, but a final review ensures accuracy. Once confirmed, the funds will be debited from your linked account. Upon successful purchase, you'll receive an immediate confirmation of your new certificate of deposit. You can easily track its progress and maturity date within your Fidelity portfolio. As your CD approaches maturity, Fidelity will provide options for reinvestment or payout. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to stay informed about your investments and keep an eye on market changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.